Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Beckwith, and on my last video, I showed the newest feature that we revealed, quantitative EEG, where you can see up to 24 hours of EEG on one single page, and it's easy to pick out seizures if you're doing long-term monitoring of EEGs. Now, I'd said we were working on another secret project, a new feature, but I can't keep it to myself, guys. I have to reveal the secret project that we're working on. So, let me show you guys. So right here, we are working on seizure detection. We're pre-processing the data. It's 45% done. It's going to take pretty much a whole day to pre-process, pretty much just prepare the data to even be fed into a neural network to be trained. So this is just the beginning, guys. This is the first step that we got to take. We got to pre-process the data, make sure it's in good form to go into and train the neural network that we decide to build. What does coding actually look like? I mean, right now it just looks like looking at a loading bar and waiting for it to go. Kind of boring, guys. There's no frantic typing on the computer, going crazy on the keys. No, guys, we're just waiting for this thing to load, and it's going to take like 24 hours because it's pre-processing a lot of seizure data. It's preparing it and making it ready for the neural network to learn from. And in the beginning, we were getting a lot of errors. It was just, so we'd get up to like 3%, and the data set's really big, so it would take a long time to get to 3%, and then it would crash on us. It would give us all different types of errors. In the beginning, it gave us one type of error. Okay, we fixed that error. And then we run it again. Okay, it gives us a new error. So we were thinking that it might have been the actual cord itself. So I went and bought a new cord at Target. Yeah, this is literally what happened in the middle of the day yesterday. I went and got a new cord at Target because I thought the connection between the cord and the hard drive was getting interrupted, and we thought that was the reason why it was crashing. But nope, it was another reason. Me and my brother, we were able to fix it. Of course, guys, we always fix it. We always find out the answer. It might take us a little bit of time, but within enough time, if you try hard enough and if you try enough times, you'll figure it out. We've always been able to figure it out, guys. So I'm excited to see how this goes. I'm excited to see, once we're done pre-processing this data, we're going to feed it into a neural network, train it, and test it on a bunch of seizures. And we're going to see if our robot neurologist named Ion, that's our company name, is able to detect seizures. That is the next big feature add. Nobody in the game of EEG has good seizure detection. Nobody has cracked the code yet. So it's still an open case, guys. Anybody could take the crown. Anybody. It's still definitely a couple years away from being perfected. Yeah, especially spike detection, in particular epileptic spike detection. Yeah, I see that being, a hard problem to solve, and it might take a decade to completely solve the problem of seizure and spike detection, just because, EEGs are kind of subjective a little bit. Not everybody agrees on, what the right answer is. I see disagreements in my EEG lab all the time. So, I mean, what is the true label for something? Is something really seizure activity? Sometimes you gotta have multiple people talk it over and come to a consensus amongst multiple people. That's how you can get to the real answer. And that's how the test data is labeled. So you want to test it on something that you know is true for sure. Like, we know 100% sure something is a seizure. So we have multiple neurologists all agree on one thing, like, yes, this is 100% this type of seizure in this area. And if multiple neurologists agree on it, or multiple EEG techs even, it's bound to be more accurate than if you just ask one person and their isolated opinion. And the more people you can gather to take a vote, the more accurate it's going to be. So, yep, guys, this is pre-processing data for our seizure detector. Our company, Ion, it's going to be the best seizure detector on planet Earth. Not to brag, guys, maybe one day. But this is the beginnings, guys, here at 11:36 p.m., August 18th. Thank you all for watching, and make sure you hit the like button. I appreciate it, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on my status on my seizure detector, and we'll see if it works.